Lakad-lakad muna tayo dito sa Liverpool. Let's go, guys.
Hi mga lods, welcome to my new video. For today's video, I'm gonna show you the beautiful city of Liverpool in England, London.
Hindi masyadong malamig yung weather ngayon dito. Medyo mainit siya pero medyo malamig yung simoy ng hangin. Medyo mabilis maglakad yung mga kasama ko. Mamadali.
Kalalabas lang namin yan mga lods. Hinahanap namin yung Jollibee pero napakalayo niya. Kaya watch out na lang sa mga papakita kong video sa inyo. Sana mapasaya ko kayo at matur ko kayo sa mga napasyalan
dito sa Liverpool. Tawid na rin tayo, baka mapangga tayo. Masarap maglakad-lakad dito. Ayan. Mga European. Medyo malayo-layo yung lakarin papuntang Jollibee. Yan, medyo naiilang sila. Lumip sa kabinagdaan. Ayaw nila matamaan, mahagip ng video natin. Kasi nagpa-vlog tayo. Naiilang yung mga tao sa manubong sa akin kasi nakikita lang nagpa-vlog.
Well, I hope sana mag-enjoy kayo sa panonood ng video ko na para na rin kayo nakarating dito sa Liverpool, London. So, let's get it!
Kaya pupunta kami doon sa pedestrian lane ng Beatles. Doon tayo titintang-tintang. Your favorite tintang-tintang. TikTok. So, see you guys there. Papakita ko muna sa inyo yung magagandang place dito sa Liverpool. May iba na ako ng mga kasama ko. Bye guys! Yung mga kasama ko, bibilis maglakad para walang kasama. O mabagal lang talaga ako maglakad. Maghanap tayo dito ng mga money changer kasi wala tayong pounds. Papapalit tayo ng pounds, dollars to pounds. Hindi ko alam kung tatanggap siya dito sa Jollibee ng dollars. I think hindi sila tatanggap.
Come for the Beatles and stay for the culture, cuisine, and nightlife in this lively port city. Liverpool is of course synonymous with one of the greatest bands of all time, the Beatles. Recent regeneration projects have revitalized Liverpool, and for those with an interest for music, the arts, culture, architecture, sport, Liverpool is the perfect destination. Transport to Liverpool are excellent.
Hello guys! Medyo malayo-layo na yung nalalakad natin. So, dito tayo sa street walk ng Liverpool. Dito sa Europe. Cheers guys! Ganda rito. Guys! Hello guys!
Liverpool is a pool of life, maze to live.
Layo pa. Ito yung port na hinihintay ko talaga ng labas ha. Kasi sarap lumabas dito dahil dito yung hometown ng idol natin ng Beatles. So makakapagpa-picture tayo sa mga place na dinaanan ng idol natin ng Beatles. Kaso nakawala na yung mga kasama ko. Wait lang guys. Yan guys, so dito na kami sa Jollibee ngayon. Yan ang pinunta namin dito sa Liverpool, Europe.
Kahit saan lugar ka magpunta, sa Jollibee pa rin, bida ang saya. Kita nyo naman, pa-picture-picture pa sa Jollibee. There are many accommodations to suit a variety of travel styles, plus numerous tours, museum, art galleries, sports venues, and more to visit. Sikat talaga ang Pilipinas kahit saan bansa ka magpunta. Kita nyo naman, napakalaki ng mapa natin dito. Dahan-dahan lang para ka maubusan. Papatayin ko yung wifi, kumain ka muna. You know, ang sarap, 2-piece chicken.
So what's up guys, nandito tayo sa Jollibee ngayon. Nakain tayo. Bumili kami ng dalawang chicken, spicy chicken, saka dalawang rice. Yung rice nila worth 1 pound. Okay, dalawang rice. All in all, nasa 7 pounds siya. 7 point something. Wala pa sa timpa ko. Convert natin sa $14 isang gig. Tikman natin yung Jollibee ng Liverpool, Europe. Kung parehas sa Jollibee natin. Meron din yung gravy nila. Pero medyo malaki yung chicken. Hindi malaki yung chicken. Oh. Tapos nagbaon kami ng soft drinks. Kaya hindi na kami gagastos sa soft drinks. Kasi mahal yung soft drinks. So, ito ulit yung rice niya.
Kaya mo kan?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ayaw? May kanin pala? Tulog na kayo? Ha? Meron palang kanin?
Meron dito.
Kanina kumain kami, hindi nila alam may kanin pala. Yada.
Yes, sir. spicy yung in-order ko kasi sarap yung mama. Guys, see you later.
Liverpool City Centre is the beating and buzzing heart of the Liverpool itself, spread over the several sub-districts. It covers the whole area of Liverpool Lime.
Guys, tapos na kami kumain sa Jollibee. Woohoo! Makdo naman. Makdo naman kami. Ang dami yung pera.
Mas marami ka.
Iyamanin.
Magkano binayaran natin? 750 pounds. Ikaw, ilang pounds ka?
70 pounds. Maglilibot-libot kami ngayon dito sa Liverpool. Yung pedestrian lane pala, hindi dito. Hindi dito sa Liverpool.
Warmit lang.
Dahil titirahin mo yung alas 4 mo ha. May rehearsal ako.
Hindi ko na nga alam pabalik eh. Paano ba yung pabalik?
Hindi, sabay-sabay tayo babalik eh. May alas 4 din.
Liverpool City Centre is the driving heart of their city, with famous name and independent shops in Liverpool 1, Church Street, Boat Street.
Pang mga yayamanin yun. Ito yung iPhone dito. Ito iPhone Pro.
Ito Pro.
Max.
Magkano ito? 850.
1,070
Magkano yung isa?
pounds.
670?
670.
70.
Ito yung iPhone Pro Max. Ba't iba siya? May 1,350, may 1,000.
Memory, terabyte. 256 lang to.
Terabyte.
Kagalis mo kasi yung Ray-Bans mo.
Okay, Samsung din sila rito. Ito yung Samsung nila. Ito. Google Play 2. Google Play. Google Pixel. Kala ko Samsung. Ito Samsung.
Ano yun?
$325. Oh, a watch. iWatch. Smartwatch. Yun o, DXLR.
Tapos parang ang presyo ito, mas mataas to.
Sa memory.
Hindi parang 128 yun.
Sa processor.
S21.
Sa camera.
Ito pa yun. Ay, iPhone 12 to ha.
Ito na lang.
Kita mo na ulat ang yan. Tinda na mga pong bagay kaya. Limandaan na yun. 30.
Nakapaisip ako Ha?
Sino doon?
Newton.
Yung ano na yun natin?
Sa'yo mo tibo.
Meron na kami dumaan.
Ito kami.
Cutest little shop that sells everything from clothes to bags and purses, from casual to beautiful designer. Great old style shops, great characters, bargains galore, and very busy perfume stall is excellent. Love this gallery right up the street. Amazing paintings and pictures. Well worth the visit, and it's free. The museum and gallery in Liverpool is fantastic and well worth the visit. Beautiful buildings almost in every street in the city center. Liverpool is justifiably famous for its shopping outlets. Very busy and lovely atmosphere. Liverpool is justifiably famous for its great architecture. Walking down Castle Street is a great starting point. Pabalik na kami niyan sa ship namin. While we're crossing the street, binibidyoan ko yung mga pedestrian lane sa yung mga tao, sa yung mga buildings and architecture nila. Habang naglalakad kami, habang nagvi-video ako, biglang nakita ko yung napanood ko sa news. Ito yung famous na balita sa London na binaril yung 2 aso. Nakakaawa talaga, grabe. And they're making a fundraising para matulungan yung may-ari ng aso. Napakabait talaga ng mga tao dito. This is amazing place. So many great buildings to admire and great view. This place is so many great pieces of architecture, so many statues and monuments, and also great museum. Opportunities and odds to the joy of walking along the street. It's most
Hi guys,
definitely well worth
pabalik na
checking
kami
out.
ngayon sa aming pinanggalingan. Lalakad-lakad tayo pabalik sa ating paroroonan. Masarap paglakad-lakad dito kasi hindi mainit. Maaraw siya pero hindi ganun kainit. Yung hangin niya malamig pa rin. Sarap manirahan dito sa Europe. Kaya kung kayo guys, mga gusto manirahan dito sa Europe, sarap tumira dito. Maganda yung weather nila. Hindi masyadong mainit. Kukuha muna tayo mga videos dito na magagandang lugar.
Liverpool is a world-class city with a stunning showcasing impressive architectural achievements. The Beatles statue made out of bronze was unveiled in 2015 in honor of their contribution to humanity. Liverpool is the home of the Beatles, a rock band that was formed in 1960. Eventually, this group of 4 exceptional individuals went on to become one of the most iconic musicians of all time.
In the order that they used to be on stage. Paul on the far left-hand side of the stage, next to George, who used to share a microphone. Ringo was slightly behind him. Obviously, he was the drummer. And then we got John Lennon. John Lennon was always slightly to the outside because he had keyboards as well towards the end of it. The lads are always now permanently facing the west. They broke America, one of the few British bands to break America properly. Now here's where it gets good. Paul's right hand is in his pocket. John's left hand is covered. The 2 lads in the middle, hands in the pockets. The only 2 hands you can see is Paul's left hand, John's right hand. Paul was left-handed, John was right-handed. There's the hand they play guitars with. Each of the lads are all walking together, but they're all slightly out of step with one another because they all went their separate ways when they split up. John is looking away from the band. He was the first person to leave. Ringo was looking straight ahead, looking a bit sad. He wanted the band to stay together. When they split up, only George and Paul stayed in contact with each other. Hence the reason why they're still talking. Now here's where it gets good. Each of the lads has something peculiar to them, something personal. We call them the totems. Paul's totem is dead easy. He's got a camera. Linda, his first wife, his first true love, keen photographer. Now, what we're going to do, you're going to have to come closer to this one because it's around the back. George's totem, his belt. We shall do here. Ladies, if you look at George's belt, it's got Sanskrit on it. It's got Sanskrit, it's actually Gairasi mantra. George was massively into Hinduism and the Hare Krishna movement. Last time was about. John's totem is in his hand. You look inside the palm of his hand, he's got 2 small acorns. He and Yoka used to collect acorns from Central Park and give them to members of the United Nations to be planted around the world called Acorns for Peace. Ringo's totem, a bit more difficult. You want to see it? Put your phone on selfie mode, get down on your hands and knees, shove it under his right shoe. On the sole of his shoe, you will see written L8. Ringo grew up in Liverpool 8. So that's the story of the Beatles statues. They tell more, but I don't have time because I'm going to go. But enjoy the Beatles statues, get your photos with them. You take care, guys. Bye-bye.